Today we're going to make some vanilla ice cream in the Ninja Creami with a Japanese sweet potato and just 4 more ingredients. Naturally sweet with a dense and creamy texture that's perfect for making rich, smooth ice cream without the need for heavy ingredients. Packed with fiber and nutrients, making this ice cream lighter and healthier. Adds sweetness as well, so that really cuts down on the amount of added sweetener you need. You can find Japanese sweet potatoes or similar varieties like Murasaki or Korean sweet potatoes, which would also work here, at large grocery stores like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or at Asian markets. After peeling and cutting, steam until soft and easily pierced with a fork. Next, measure out your sweet potato. You're going to use 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons packed, or 125 grams. Next, we have 1 cup plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk, but feel free to use whatever plant-based milk you like. Adding everything to the blender with vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon, then agave syrup or maple syrup or other sweetener of choice. I like agave for its neutral flavor here. 2 tablespoons, add more or less based on the level of sweetness you prefer. And just a pinch or about 1/8 teaspoon salt. Next, it's time to blend. Blend until completely smooth. I'm using a high-speed blender here, but any blender will do. If you're enjoying this video and you enjoy healthier treats like I do, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified when more videos drop here on the channel. They're going to be delicious. Next, pour the mixture into your Ninja Creami pint container and just check out that thick texture, thanks to the sweet potato. This is how you get around using full fat ingredients, because you've got the fiber from the sweet potato that is really helped to thicken everything up. We don't have to use guar gum or xanthan gum or jello. I always say try before you put them in the freezer, because you want to make sure you like the taste of it, the sweetness is right, and you can always make any adjustments before you put it in. That's going to be good. When you put these in your freezer, be sure to make sure they're sitting flat, that they're not at some kind of angle. Otherwise, there could be a problem with the paddle going down. And anyway, you don't want it to get wonky and destroy your machine, because that won't be fun. And just keep in mind there's this max fill line, so just be sure to not go over that, and then you'll be fine. I'm going to call this one vanilla or sweet cream. It feels more like a sweet cream. It almost tastes like a vanilla pudding. So I guess I'm gonna have to see how it comes out as ice cream and make the final determination. Now, 24 hours later, we'll come back and I'm gonna put my lid on it. I have a bunch of creamies in there, so I'm actually gonna put a label on this one so I know exactly what it is. And we'll be back in 24 hours to see how this comes out. Here's what we've got. It's gonna be so good. Sometimes a hump forms in the freezing process, and you just want to go ahead and level that off. So I'm just gonna flatten that out. So I'm just gonna come over here and run some water on here and then scrape it down. It's not that much, but I've heard that it could be a problem. And there we go, that's looking pretty good. Much better. Match up the grooves of the pint with the outer base container, and it will just fall right into place. And now we're gonna put on the ice cream, light ice cream. It takes about 2 minutes. Not gonna lie, it's a little loud. So sometimes it looks like it's not together, but when you press it down, it actually is. So this is a pretty good consistency. You'll find the full recipe in the description box below. That texture is so creamy. Along with the links to the Ninja Creami. For more healthy dessert recipes, be sure to check out these next videos here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.